Good evening, class. My name is Dustin Vu, and today I will be giving a video career analysis for my career development plan. This is for class management 4315 session 71 for 2022. In this in this video, I will be talking about a personal introduction, a personal career development plan for myself. I will conduct some internal and external analysis for myself toward the market with some insight for market overview using Porter five forces and generic strategy, followed by conclusion. So let's get started. Personal introduction. My name is Dustin Vu. I'm originally from Vietnam. Right now. I'm looking for a career switch because of art due to family reason. I moved to the U.S. in 2010 and plan to retire here. I live here for my entire time. I am serving and have been serving since 2017 in Texas Army National Guard. I've been through several missions with total time in active duty is about 2.5 years. Currently, I'm working at a natural gas or cryogenic process technician for Energy Transfer, a Fortune 100 company in West Texas. I am divorced with a daughter. That's the main reason why I am looking for a career switch. As of right now, and in the foreseeable future, I live in the U.S. alone. Um, so my personal career plan, my goal is to graduate in 2023 with a bachelor degree in a major in finance and minor in computer information system. I will plan to go to graduate school with a degree in master of science in data analytic or data science. That's the plan. Strategy is to get a high demand degree and expand my network. But in a good strategy is expand my current network in energy transfer, right? So that I have a current database to get in. They are the big companies, so surely they need something for information technology or data or database or data management. The better strategy is to expand my network in the military as a veteran with a secret clearance status. I should have a priority in landing a federal government job. Um, yeah, and that's my goal. My ideal job is a data analyst or data scientist for military or any Fortune 200 company. My ultimate goal in life is to retire early and be financial independent through personal investment. I to and so here I've been saving and invest, and my goal is in about 15 years, my passive income from dividend and rental income will equal or exceed my salary, and that's when I'm gonna quit working and enjoy my retirement. So that's the goal. So I move forward to external analysis. I'm using PASTEL framework to identify the opportunity and threat for myself to enter a new job market, right? So start with political factor is a favor for me because as a veteran with secret clearance status, I should have a priority in hiring. If I combine with my master degree, I will make myself really marketable and have a high chance to get hired. I just need to, get that degree. Economic factor. As of right now, not all, most of my college expenses are covered by U.S. government. I mean, by U.S. taxpayer to be precise. I am the military pay for my GI Bill. That's cover most of my tuition and fee. So I just need to find the time to dedicate for my education. Social factor. Is it normal for people around my age to go to college and get a degree or get a formal education? So it's normal. So there's nothing abnormal about it. Technology factor. Well, data job or information technology jobs require serious technical skill. And that's why I need to go to school to have a formal education, to have a degree, to have some kind of a certificate from the industry. And so that's, if I graduate with a master degree, that will be my opportunity, right? Environmental factor, well, so as of right now, it's acting against my favor. My job is really time consuming. I don't have a good work and life balance. I work in the oil field 12 hours a day, 7 day on, 7 day off, rotating between 9 day shift. On top of that, I have a military drill, military training submission that I will be going. So work and life balance is tough, and I have a really little time to dedicate for college. But fortunately, my workplaces, including my bosses in the civilian and military, they are really supportive. My professor and my instructor in college are extremely supportive and understanding as well. So with their support and their help, I believe I can achieve my goal. Legal factor. As of right now, I don't see any legal obstacle. I don't see any legal obstacle for me because um, because well, the only thing I can think of right now is that if I ever get out of the military, I will risk losing my secret clearance. But even though I still have my veteran status, so it's still good for me. Let's move on to internal. So I will be using VRIO framework analysis. So once I get all my things together, including my master degree or bachelor or master degree, my veteran status, my and my secret clearance, all of the resources or capability are valuable, they are rare, because believe it or not, only 1% of the U.S. population are serving the military, so it's really rare. It will not be so inimitable, but once I organize everything, I will obtain a sustained competitive advantage. Right? That's my point. So let's move on to five forces model. I use the Porter five forces model to evaluate my chance and my opportunity to get into a new job. So of course we have a threat of new entrants. Yes, there are new graduate that graduate from school, from university and boot camp every day. They are potentially have a high skill, have a better skill and better network than me. Do we have a threat of substitutes? Yes. Company are notorious for hiring people from overseas just to pay them cheaper. All right, level long work ethic or something like that. But yes, that's right there. Rivalry among existing competitor. Yes, we have a layoff in the technology sector this year, so will be a lot of data scientists looking for job. Therefore, as for bargaining power of supplier and bargaining power of buyers, as of right now, I can see that the market is in favor of buyer of the recruiter. So a lot of people got laid off, so they're going to have to find somebody, but there will be more people looking for a job than job opening. But I have until 2026 to get my things together, including my master degree, my network, and my status altogether. So I still have until then. Maybe by then the economy will be entering a new cycle and will be new opportunity for me, right? And then I will be using Porter generic strategy. On keep it short, I will be choosing the focus differentiation strategy. I will not promote myself cheap. I will not sell myself short. I will promote myself as a valuable asset with highly trained skill and highly skilled, highly trained, and highly educated with a master degree and my vet status, right? So in conclusion, my name is Dustin. Thank you very much for listening to my story. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.